pork is that 250 grams or something like that?
Roughly, yeah.
Yeah. And then 4 or 5 garlic maybe.
I think 5.
5.
And
Yeah.
this is like 1 kilo.
1 kilo.
Yeah, but it's everything, but we clean it and take the leaf.
And then this is what's left.
Yes.
So it would be like a big bunch. And
Yeah,
then
big
you-
bunch. Yeah, big bunch.
Okay. Good flavor. The big morning glory. So morning glory is the stalks and everything? Or?
Everything.
Yeah,
It's the name of the plant.
Yes, yes. And you would use everything for the cooking for this one?
Use
Like leaf and
leaf, but we
stalks?
take off the leaf. We only leave the leaf that's close to the end. You
stalks.
see,
Okay,
like the
yeah.
2 leaf. Yeah.
Okay.
Young leaf. Yeah.
And leaf, yeah.
I think so.
See how much it will shrink. If it will
Oh yeah,
continue
and
being
no, it
this big.
become little. Yes. Already starting. You see? Thank you. You can also sometimes cover it with a big lid a bit,
Okay.
like a few minutes.
They simmer.
If we use bigger stove, we can turn on the fire to be very strong. Because this stove is the hottest. It's like this. So normally when we start cooking vegetable, we turn the heat high.
Okay. Nice. Oh.
With rice, dry stuff, it doesn't really. But our soup, we always put the
What?
fish
Oh, the fish.
fish paste, Chrouk.
Ah,
Very-
you. Oh,
It's not very good.
What?
A lot of
but still. So this is like fermented fish.
yes,
Very
strong smell. But before cooking, we wash and yes,
Okay.
yeah.
But do you use the fish down there, or
Yeah.
do you use this?
The fish.
Okay, the fish.
Yeah, we wash the salt and other stuff out. Yeah.
Wow.
In a big jar.
Yeah. And what is the? This is palm
that's
syrup,
palm
right?
sugar,
Oh, palm
yeah.
sugar.
And it's expensive.
It is.
That's why, yeah, because this sugar, it's like 3,000 real per kilo, 75 cents. And if they make into that one,
Yeah.
you know, they make triple price.
Oh wow.
That's why they like to make it fake.
Oh yeah.
Because that's roughly between 2.5 to $3 per kilo. Now can be 4 depend on the quality. So
Okay.
this is the medium quality.
Okay.
So that's roughly $3.
Wow.
If it's the very white one, it's $4 something like that. Yeah, per kilo.
Okay, so the white one is
White one is the best one.
okay.
More dense, smell better, and yeah. But for cooking, white one they only use for dessert. For cooking, this is good.
Yeah.
Even that one also good for dessert.
For dessert, yeah.
Some for Patrick. I don't know if he right